Okay guys, so in this video that I was just showing you and I was telling you about, I have found a way to be able to winterize your pump and your power washer without sticking antifreeze and doing it that way. So what I ended up doing was I stuck, let's see, get the camera in here, see if you guys can see it. This is what I did to the backside of my pump. I've actually been using it this way for a little over a year on this particular one. Works out great. I actually went to Home Depot, got the fittings, as you can tell, and basically just put the fittings on till I got to the point, swing the camera around, so I got to the point where I could put a air compressor fitting. So give me 1 second here. Sorry if the camera's moving around, trying to get it all set up. This is all that I do for winterizing my machine, and it works great, and it works every time. So I stick the air nozzle on there, blow compressed air throughout the pump. It then goes through the lines out to the back, and I have it coming out into a 5-gallon drum. And it blows all the water out of all the lines. Now, give me 1 second. I'll walk you around here. I actually made a little bit of a mess there because one of the lines came out. But as you can see, that's what I do. So after every time, every cleaning or every use, if it's going to be cold out, I will then, that's how I prepare my unit so this way it doesn't freeze. So all my lines, everything, all the lines are all blowed out. There's absolutely no water in this machine. And like I said, all you have to do is put in a little adapter, just like I did here. And just adapt it out. So you have your valve for where you plug in your compressed air from your air compressor, and you just blow it out. Now this particular pump is a TSF 2021. Like I said, it's 8 gallon a minute. I do have this done on one of my other smaller machines. It works great. Like I said, I don't use any antifreeze. I'm able to blow out all my lines safely, and it's ready for storage, and I come back out. If I go out washing the next day, I fill it all back up, or turn the valves on my water tank and get water coming back in again. So that's it. If you guys need any help with this, or you think it's a pretty cool idea, please share to your friends. Please subscribe to keep my page alive, and I'll try to give you as many tips as I can on what I do out there in the power washing field, and try to help you guys out with anything that I can. Feel free to contact me anytime if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Like I said, my name's Ken Beatty, Shore Clean Solutions, and I'm out of Salisbury, Maryland. Thank you guys, God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay safe.